Days of Thunder, a little channel I have created to capture nothing but fun. Today we'll be driving Craig Lowndes' beast, the 888 Days of Thunder. Alright, we're in the Craig Lowndes V8 Holden VF Commodore. And we've got cold tyres coming onto the takeoff lane here at Bathurst. And a bit of a car which I've not got too much experience with. Not that I'm experienced in any regards with sim racing, but I do think it's bloody awesome. If you haven't had a race in sim racing, you probably want to check out Assetto Corsa. That's what I'm driving in right now. Hang on, there's a bit of heel toe there. Get around this corner. Coming up to the most hated corner in this game for me. This one here. We'll go super slow around this. I think we've got about 650 horsepower in this V8 Commodore beast. That's sort of equivalent to like a sort of Ferrari or something to that effect. Quite a bit of grunt. I'm sure there's people right now saying, no, Ferraris don't have that much power. Only Lambos. That's okay. As long as my V8 Commodore has enough power to get me around Mount Panorama quickly and safely for the kids back home. Just gonna kind of take it a little bit easy. Coming down what is belovedly called the pinball section and into this tight corner. Power down the back straight here. Made famous by the GTR Skyline and sort of 93, 91, 92, 93-ish. As it had so much power, they had to ban it. But probably for a good thing, to make some more competitive racing for us all to enjoy at home. Oh. Get on the brakes, mate. Get on the brakes. Oh, just makes it round. Just makes it round. And coming up to the final bend, I might just take it easy. I can actually make it round. Oh. And there you have it. Round Mount Panorama. I don't think I actually stacked your car there, Craig, so I think you can thank me. I did see some gear teeth fly off out the back though, so yeah, you might have to go pick those up. But nonetheless, it's a fantastic car to drive. If you want this particular mod, it's free. You can download it from, I'll just put it in the description, just check that out. I might actually set up a bit of a web page about this, so stay tuned for that. So if you want to see more of these videos, do subscribe, but I would love to have your companionship on this journey as I learn how to actually drive on Days of Thunder. Till next time, I'm Paul Trickle.